fillers are totally different category, where it is derived from hyaluronic acid, which is a natural substance which is present in our skin dermis, which is holding the collagen and elastin fibers together. And this is now available, in a sterile preloaded syringes from reputed companies for the past 30 years. So it is time tested. And this is being used wherever you have, the contour problems like under eye, tear trough, or sunken cheeks or sunken under eyes, and the small chin or jawline. So wherever there is a contour issue, where it is too hollow, we can level it. Where it is depressed, where it requires a projection, we can project. And all these kind of contour changes we can achieve with the filler.